Right, so now we're up to just checking everything that we've done and we've got it correct. So firstly, the dimension lines, the vertical dimension line should sit 2 millimetres away from the actual building. So there should be a little space there of 2 millimetres. This actual line should be 30 millimetres long, and this horizontal line should sit 10 millimetres above the building outline. So from this point here, you should measure 10 mil up, and that's your first line, another 10 mil for the second line, and another 10 mil for the third line. If you've done all of that correctly, you should have 2 millimetres overhanging here. And then you need to have your little vertical line for the projection line, which is 2 millimetres long, and the forward facing angle is on a 45-degree angle, and that is 3 millimetres long. All these lines should be 0.18 millimetres, and to make sure that they're 0.18 millimetres, not points, you go to Edit, Preferences, Units, and then make sure that general millimetres and stroke is millimetres, and keep type at point for the next step. And so again, you're going around to the side, so you're pretty much just flipping everything to the right hand side, rotating it around. So again, you're going to have your forward facing angles on a 45-degree angle. And so the first line will show windows and doors, which there are none. The second line will show the walls, which there's some measurements, and the last one will show all the overall dimensions of the building. Down the bottom, you should have a line left plan view. It should be uppercase, sans serif, about 12 point. This one is Arial narrow. So that's what you're going to use for that. And then we're moving on to the south and north elevation. So to look at the north elevation, we're going to stand down south, but we're going to be looking north. So that's going to determine our north elevation. And so what we need to do first is know what height the roof is going to be for the scale of our building, which is 1 to